It was a moody Sunday evening. Utkarsh, Vivek, and I planned to go for a long drive to enjoy the moody weather of the first monsoon. Because it had rained last night, the weather was so pleasant. We parked the car at the bottom of the hill. It was a 15-minute hike to the top. Our plan was to bake Maggi on some random hill, enjoying the beautiful weather. Utkarsh and Vivek brought a pack of Maggi, utensils, some coal and petrol for them. Finally, we reached the top. The view was so beautiful. There was no one except us.
उसके ऊपर ऐसा हाँ बराबर
We gathered some stones and made a chula. Put the coal in it, spread some petrol on it, and fired it up.
नहीं तेज आप लोग
Unfortunately, Utkarsh forgot to bring some spoons with him. So we used some sticks to make noodles. Also use natural sticks as chopsticks to eat as well.
जवळ जवळ घे रस्ता भेटत रे
After this lockdown, it felt really good to be back outside in the nature and spending some quality time with friends. Lately, I realized in this life full of ups and downs, we all sometimes need a different perspective on things and phases of our life. There are times when you need to focus deeply on the inner meaning of your existence and think beyond the superficial happiness.